Hello! Today we're going to be talking about the different types of transport proteins that can be found in the cell membrane. The first one that we're going to talk about is probably the most simple in terms of it is big with passive diffusion. This is called our channel protein. Our channel protein is used to allow molecules to pass without the use of energy, hence passive transport. Passive transport. There we go. So no energy, passive transport. Water is a perfect example of this. So in our cell membrane, we have these channel proteins called aquaporin. So let me get the full drawing here so you can get the full effect of this lovely aquaporin protein. There we go. All right, so this channel protein is very specific for our lovely H2O. Our body needs that. Our body loves that. We love H2O. However, it does not diffuse quickly enough through our cell membrane, so we do need the help of this channel protein known as our aquaporin. So this just allows for more movement of water in and out of the cell. So that is our first type of transport protein. Our second type of transport protein that we're going to talk about is a carrier protein. Carrier protein. So carrier proteins used to facilitate molecules through the membrane. Again, passive transport. We do not need energy for this type of a protein. So again, embedded within our lovely lipid bilayer plasma membrane, cell membrane, however you want to talk about it, we have this lovely carrier protein in the middle. Again, it is built specifically for whatever molecule needs to fit in here. One of our probably best examples of this would be glucose. Our cells love glucose. We run off glucose literally. So we need glucose in our cells. It cannot fit through this membrane. It is quite chunky. So instead it uses the carrier protein, which will then move this glucose through the cell membrane. Our third and final type of transport protein that we have are called protein pumps. Protein pumps move with ATP, a molecule, across the cell membrane, typically against the concentration gradient. So in this case, we say the protein pump is part of active transport because it does use up ATP. A good example of this pump is our sodium-potassium pump. This looks a little bit more in depth. It has specific slots for multiple molecules to actually fit in, including that ATP and our sodium and potassium. So potassium will come in and bind to its specific spots. The sodium will come in and bind to its specific spots. And as long as we have ATP being part of this equation, these molecules can go in or out of the cell as they please, even against the concentration gradient. Hope that helped you to understand the types of transport proteins that there are embedded into our cell membrane. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and follow for more educational videos. Happy sciencing, everyone. Bye.